Hello and welcome back, everyone. CryptoBren here. Hope you guys are doing amazing. On today's video, I'm going to talk to you about Nexo Wallet, where you're actually able to earn a percentage every single year on your cryptocurrency by staking it. Okay, so you simply put your cryptocurrency in this wallet. It's a trusted wallet. We're going to go over everything, how it all works, and how to get involved. So welcome to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and like or comment if you guys have any questions, and reach out to me. Everything's going to be down in the description below this video for all the links, how to get signed up. I have a CryptoBren mastermind course. This is one of the videos for that. So welcome aboard, legends. Thank you so much for being here, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. All right, let's walk right through the Nexo wallet. What we're going to be doing here is showing you guys exactly how this platform works, how I'm able to actually stake my cryptocurrency and earn dividends every single year. I believe this is one of the safest ways for you to store your cryptocurrency and earn a percentage on that cryptocurrency by holding it. And I'll explain how this works. Okay, so it's very interesting. So it says here, right when I logged into Nexo Wallet, withdraw funds from credit line. So you can actually borrow against your cryptocurrency as a loan as well, on top of earning and staking your cryptocurrency with this platform. So it says I can withdraw up to $2,547.02. I can do a bank transfer, USDC coin, or USD Tether or ERC20. It's pretty similar, just stable to coin. Minimum $50 for stable coin transfers and $500 for bank transfers. Stablecoin transfers, funds are received immediately in your Nexo account. Local bank transfers, funds are usually received on the same next business day, up to 2 to 5 business days if it is a USD withdrawal to a non-USA bank. That is why we're trying to get away from the banks and more into cryptocurrency, because it's so much better. You're going to earn way more here than you ever would in your whole life in just 1 year with Nexo Wallet. Maturity up to 1 year may be renewed on request without repayment. The period starts after your first loan withdrawal. Nexo premium rate is a 6.9% per year APR when staking Nexo tokens, up to 13.9% otherwise. Interest is charged only on what you use and for the days you borrow. The credit line repayments, there's no minimum or required, as interest is debited automatically from your available credit limit. You can repay all or some of your loan early at any time, and you can save interest, as you only pay interest for the days you borrow. You can make repayments by bank transfer or using crypto, including the assets deposited into your Nexo account. Repayments made less than 30 days after your last loan withdrawal will be charged interest on the portion being repaid for the remaining 30 days. So if I want to do a bank transfer, I simply click on bank transfer, USD, want to do $500, select the currency, US dollar, bank, it's going to be in America, United States, right here. So there's no fee, be totally $500. I agreed to the Nexo credit terms. And now I need to enter all my information: recipient address, city, country, my account number, my routing number, and it'll simply send me $500 on a credit line while I'm putting my cryptocurrency in this wallet. I'm not going to do that right now. That's how you withdraw it. I know I'm kind of doing things a little bit backwards here, but let's go over Nexo and how everything works. So this is my account. There's different transactions that I've made. The exchange, buy crypto, sell crypto. You can swap some crypto on the platform. You can also vote, governance vote. We're not going to get into that, but let's go over the account. One, pretty simple. Deposit crypto assets to your insured and secured Nexo account. $375 million insurance and maximum security with the audited custodian, BitGo. 2, credit line is now available. Borrow with automatic approval, no credit checks. Your credit line limit is based on the value of your deposited crypto assets. 3, spend money instantly with Nexo card or borrow cash and stablecoins. Spend from the credit line at any time from only 6.9% APR on what you use. No minimum loan repayments, no hidden fees, Interest is debited automatically from your available credit limit, flexible repayments at any time. Enjoy our lowest crypto credit line rates ever from 6.9% APR. Earn up to 12% on your idle assets. These are the different cryptocurrencies available. So I have a portfolio balance of $7,400 on Nexo Wallet. I didn't trust it at first. I'm very cautious where I put my crypto, what wallets. I've done my due diligence on this platform. A lot of good reviews, and a lot of more people absolutely love this feature, how you can earn interest on cryptocurrency just by sending it over to the platform. And it's going to notify you how much interest you've earned based off how much crypto you have on the platform. So I have XRP on here, TRX, XLM, I have Nexo, and it'll show me a total of interest I've earned every day. My credit line, how much I'm able to actually get loaned to me, how much is available based off the amount. I believe it's like half, a little bit less than half probably, of your portfolio balance. So obviously you have to have more on your portfolio balance in order for you to get a credit line available. A loyalty level, silver. Let's upgrade to gold level. I'll go over that here in a second. But borrow, cash, or stable coins, repay, or exchange. These are the different cryptocurrencies you can store here on Nexo. Bitcoin, Ether, Nexo tokens, XRP, Tether, USD coins. So they have crypto and stable coins you're able to earn interest on and borrow. Pax dollar, True USD, DAI, USD, Euro, GBP, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, EOS, BNB, Stellar, Pax Gold, Chainlink, Tron, Cardano, Polkadot, and Dogecoin. Okay, so obviously a wide variety of cryptocurrencies that you can have on here. Let's go to the calculator real quick and let's just give an example. Let's earn some interest, select your crypto assets. Let's do Nexo. Instant crypto credit line. 1,000. So you have to have 4,550. Let's do 10,000, 100,000. So you can obviously give an idea of instant credit line. Let's do Bitcoin. One Bitcoin, 21,387 daily, 6.9% per year. If you have 10 Bitcoins on here, you're gonna $38 per day. Let's do yearly. So if you have one Bitcoin on here, you're only going to $1,459.95 per year. Guaranteed approval, no credit checks, no hidden fees, flexible repayments. Let's check out Ethereum. One Ethereum, $100 yearly. Ripple. Let's do 100 Ripple. Let's do 100 Ripple. Let's do 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. 1,932, credit line of 28,012. So if you want to get a credit line, so you want to invest that in another platform, other coins, shit coins, 100x, 1,000x opportunities, whatever the case might be. Pretty interesting. So all you really do is if you click the different cryptocurrency that you want to top up, click on top up. I'm going to open up my Exodus wallet. Show you guys some of my coins, my portfolio real quick. And let's see if I have any XRP on here. I did get some Bitcoin, which is cool. All right, let's do more Tron. Let's pick Tron. You're gonna just click on top up. It's gonna give you a Tron address. Do not send TRX via smart contract as such as transactions. So read the important warning signs here. Send only TRX to this deposit address. Just copy it, go to my wallet. I'm gonna click on my Tron, have about $1,000 on there. Let's go ahead and send. You're gonna paste the address, all TRX. I'm gonna send, confirm the address. I like to look at the first four and the last four. TKPQ 7D SM. TKPQ 7DSM. So I know that's the correct address. Double check, triple check this. Very important. Once you send crypto to another wallet, if it's the wrong wallet or your computer got hacked or something and it's sending it to another wallet, you will lose it forever. There's no insurance. So this keeps you fully responsible for your cryptocurrency. So understand that. Understand that you need to back up your 12-word recovery phrases, your private key, write it down on a piece of paper, and store it in a safe place. Buy a safe, go to a bank, put it in a deposit box, whatever you got to do to keep your cryptocurrency safe. Do not get scammed out there. Do not send it to anyone that offers you a huge ROI. If it's too good to be true, most likely it is. If it's not insured, like a platform like this, like Nexo has insurance, Coinbase has insurance, other wallets have insurance. So this is the due diligence that you guys have to understand in this space. So be careful. So I did just send the TRX. TRX sends pretty fast. Let's go to transactions. There it is. Top up of crypto, $1,007.95 in USD. That's about 10,912 TRX. Obviously, it has to go through the blockchain and take a little bit to confirm. I think it did just load up on there. Okay, so let's click to open the interest breakdown. So I have 25,544 TRX, which is Tron. I'm able to earn 4.25% interest with this loyalty. I need 99.65 Nexo tokens to upgrade to gold loyalty level. So earn in kind, get 2% bonus, earn up to 8% interest with fixed term deposits. Okay, so let's go upgrade to gold level. I eventually want to get to platinum. I'm at silver right now. So you are going to have to purchase more Nexo coins based on the portfolio balance that you have. So depending on how much you have, they want you to purchase their own token, which is Nexo. So you can earn more percentages, at least 10% Nexo tokens in portfolio, 6.9%, 5% cryptocurrency saving interest rate. If you want to earn it, 2% bonus on your current interest rate by choosing to get paid in Nexo tokens. Go to settings to activate this option. Let's go ahead and go to my settings. Interest paid out in the same currency. Let's interest payout in Nexo tokens. I want to do that. Okay, does it look like for USA citizens, you're able to actually get paid in their tokens? So you actually just have to get paid out in interest payout in the same currency. Unfortunately for USA, there's a lot of restrictions, and I kind of want to move out of the USA because of this. It's just so hard with crypto. Earning in Nexo tokens available for non-USA citizens only. Unfortunately, if you're in the US, you cannot get paid and get a 2% bonus. But hey, we're still earning. I think it's still a great platform. I do want to upgrade to my gold and platinum based on my balance. I need to have 383.78 Nexo. So to upgrade, I need to buy more Nexo tokens. So not bad. This is current gold, platinum. I'm going to do that after the video to upgrade to Nexo tokens so I can earn more on my cryptocurrency. Other than that, pretty self-explanatory. If I want to withdraw my Bitcoin, I click on withdraw. I can withdraw anytime. And this is what I am staking here on the Nexo platform. Bitcoin, Nexo tokens, XRP, Stellar, and Tron. I believe I'm going to send all my crypto. Obviously, I have about $7,500 here on Exodus. I love Nexo. I love Exodus. You could also buy and sell here on Nexo platform. So just like crypto.com, it's very similar to that, but you're going to earn dividends up to 12% on your idle assets, and you can have a credit line, okay, just from 6.9% APR, which is amazing, by the way. So yes, upgrade to platinum, put your crypto into here, guys, have it earn interest up to 12%. Hope you guys liked the video. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye now.